Anyway. Well, that seems to imply I can switch characters, but I guess not right now.
You see, guys? I told you I'd find the exit. No problem.
I don't think those doors were to keep us out. They were to keep that in. Let's get out of here. Oh, wait, I forgot. We can't.
Not cool, Sonic. You locked us in.
Locked us in? I was saving you.
We didn't need saving.
Yeah.
Guys, can we put a pin in this for a second?
You and I have unfinished business.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but I'm pretty sure it's a bad thing. Now I'm convinced it's a bad thing. Ah!
1,000 years later, and you're still predictable.
What's he talking about?
He dodged my spin attack. Nobody's ever done that before.
No, he didn't dodge it. He put up a sphere and you bounced off of it.
Warriors, we have a world.
Learn how dodging works, Sonic. He blocked your spin attack, and plenty of people have done that before.
Now, let's see what 1,000 years in prison will do to you.
What just happened? Well, let's see. We discovered an ancient tomb, moved those mirror things around, and got steamrolled by a 1,000-year-old reptile. Did I leave anything out?
Yeah, you forgot the part where it was all Sonic's fault.
I was saving you.
Speaking of saving us, I almost have this thing figured out.
Oh, that looks like a homing attack.
You got brains, but no brawn.
Ah, good. I can't just spam it infinitely. It turns into a weird, bouncy spin dash area.
We gotta stop that slithery psycho.
First, we gotta get out of here.
Tails, friendship bracelets? Now? Not exactly. I recalibrated the shackles into sort of energy beams.
Great work, buddy. Maybe we can use these things to find a way out.
This guy's shooting at me.
Whoops, missed again.
Guys, he must have cracked the wall when he left. We need to break it. Oh, see? I am smart.
Yeah.
The wall! It did break! That was my idea.
All right, here we go, everyone.
I feel like my old self again.
I think it's safe to say that entering the tomb was probably a bad idea.
No! You think?
Let's just stop this guy and then argue, okay?
Stay close! I want to tie this snake into a knot!
There is more fight in you than I thought.
Sonic, how did he know you?
If this guy knows and hates me, I have to have met him before. I think this snake was supposed to stay frozen.
I think he just stuck his tongue out at me. Or it was a slither. Either way, it was rude.
You can't stop me. See how you react to a little damage. I am too powerful. You can't defeat me.
Stay alert. This snake has some fun.
Oh, good. I do have the side steps on the shoulder buttons. That's good. Gonna need those. And I can do manual. Also good.
Get out of here.
I must get to my lair.
Okay, cannot slow down, cannot stop. Oh my god, that frame rate.
My
I don't know if you're seeing how bad the frame rate got there, but it was pretty bad, and I just should have jumped there, but I'm retarded. Oh, geez. There comes Rock. Can we go fast some more? That wasn't nearly enough fast. It also wasn't fast enough. Okay. Real stage. Show me what you got, Sonic Boom. I forgot to listen for music. At least it wasn't bothering me, but yeah, thus far it sounded very atmospheric.
Yep.
So we have, it's her Y button attack. I have to say, it's a little bit awkward having Sonic as the leader of a team. If you think about it, he's never really been that. Ever. It doesn't really work for him.
Can you come back later and see me? I think I need to be alone right now.
Oh my.
Thing over there.
I think it's from Lyrics Time. From what I know, it's meant to hold something powerful. Nobody really knows what, though.
Here's a bounce pad.
Yes! Yes, there is a bounce pad! Oh my shit, these characters need to learn when to shut up.
We should make our way over the bridge.
So we have these big open fields, but we can dodge roll. We can't really go fast though. Sonic, go fast.
Last time.
Yeah.
Hey, that was a bounce pad, and no one said anything.
Construction pit up ahead.
Well, they were certainly trying something. Definitely trying to make some kind of... Oh, that... Your water is a Pac-Man. Yeah, they were trying to do something.
Yeah.
What are you throwing? Just random shit? I mean, it's interesting. We have a big old open hub area that we're running around in. It's all adventuresome and stuff, but we're not really going fast, and I'm a little confused as to what to do. Apparently I have to find Cliff? I don't even know where I am. What's this? Oh, that was good. We're the best. Cliff's excavation site. Maps? Anyone want to give me a map? There's no map on my gamepad. The gamepad is just showing the game screen. Might have been a good idea to turn that off so we can have like a few less frame rate hiccups. I don't know, just a concept.
Boost pads are awesome.
Boost pads are awesome. No one gonna mention the bounce pads? Or did those not look enough like a bounce pad to you? Oh! Oh, but that That looks like a bounce pad. Oh. Oh, swingy thing. Okay. That looks like a bounce pad.
Bounce pad.
That has to lead to something.
Bounce pad.
Bounce pad! Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that was just a bounce pad for no good reason, except to make people say bounce pad. Say bounce pad. No one wants to say it? I'll bounce pad it out.
This calls for a spin dash.
I assume those buttons are color-coded by character. It's not really doing anything. Hey, Turtleman.
I'm really not in the mood to speak to anyone. Perhaps you can stop by later.
I'm lost! I am completely fucking lost.
Spin dash.
As fast as I could go. Oh, no one announced that bounce pad. Maybe they're getting over their fascination with bounce pads. Bounce pads are yesterday's news. Oh, that's fun. Woo! Okay.
Here's a bounce pad.
I stand corrected. Bounce pad. That was a ring that leads to water. Starting to see a lot of those. I got things. I can safely say it's better than Daxter. And it does actually remind me a little bit of Jak and Daxter, except it's Jak and Daxter trying to be Sonic. As such, they get in the way of it just being Jak and Daxter. So you want it to be Sonic and Daxter? Like, it's not Sonic enough to be Sonic, and it's not Jak and Daxter enough to be Jak and Daxter. And I'm not sure I want it to be Jak and Daxter, because it's a Sonic game. And if Sonic was just Jak and Daxter, it wouldn't really be Sonic, and... Okay, now I'm convinced they're just starting to steal things from Freedom Planet. Why is there just a crystal flower here? What does that do? Oh, good, good. Hitting the D-pad flips me over to wherever that character is, rather than to my location. Good times. Oh no! Woo! That looks like a bounce pad. I'm lost, I'm lost. This is an entertaining game. Rather be playing Flipnick, but I don't know where I put the disc. Yes, yes, I would like to play it, 'cause it is... It's a pinball game on PS2 with a fortune-telling monkey at the beginning. Yeah, I figured that out, game. Thank you for telling me the things that I needed. Woo, woo, woo. Balls. You know what'd be nice? A map. I would really like a map that tells me where to go. Apparently I'm supposed to find Cliff, who is apparently not that turtle at the beginning, which... So all I can do... go this way. What's over here? That was just... that false meme. Oh no, that's part of the stage. Right, okay. Balls! Are you Cliff? That's a sign. Shows a picture of a person. Who could be Cliff? Well, let's go in the ravine.
Way forward?
Vehicles have platforms on them. Can we raise them?
Hey, I think we found where to go.
Keep going.
Go me. Oh, I'm supposed to raise them.
There's the second one.
Glad y'all are just standing over there. Getting hyped. Don't even care about that treasure chest.
Blank, so we don't have to go down there anymore. Good call.
Good. Thank you, Tails. You did a smart thing. Feel proud.
Why are you
Cliff?
talking to me? I do not understand. Did I call you over? No. Did I look like I was calling you? No. I am just trying to prepare a decent meal for the poor culinary devoid workers.
Okay. Glad you're doing that. Alright, well that's crushed. Yep. Yep. That was a funny noise. Sure, what? Oh, hey, those things. Oh, hey, that looks like a bounce pad. No one wants to call it out? Oh, that's a rolly pad thing for Sonic. But who's this over here? You Cliff?
Well, hello there. Oh, I am pretty busy right now. I suggest you either make an appointment or come back later.
Okay.
They're excavating a biplane. That has to be from the ancients. I could totally fly that. I wonder how it got there. Crashed? Avalanche.
Yeah, as far as this game is a whole lot of nothing happening.
This calls for a spin dash.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah, I think this is the spot where the game bugged out in that GIF. Okay. Looks like a button. Guess not.
Rev the engine.
Look at all this everything happening. Woo! I'm full of excitement. It's just not letting me go on that. So I guess this is not where we're supposed to go, or something. Sonic, can you rail? No? Okay. What is making that flying? Oh. It is indeed Tails' Tails, who have gotten stuck making their flying. Good. That looks like a bounce pad.
Stopping time.
I want to know when the game starts.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks like you could light speed dash across those.
Drop and roll.
I am randomly reminded of a line from Animal Soccer. It's everything the same. The same of nothing happened. What's the same everywhere? It's everything the same. The same of nothing happened.
Pad.
Yeah. It's the same old song. Yeah. Old song. It's no fun to be a singer when there are no parties where I can sing my old songs. Party? Where? Can I sell my candy somewhere? No. There is no party. Oh. It's driving me crazy. Where is... Okay. Okay. That looks like a bounce pad. Thanks, Knuckles. I knew you wouldn't let me down. Okay, so the mine carts are punched into place. Whatever these bounce pads are supposed to be for, and or buttons, we are certainly...
Here's a bounce pad.
Thank you, Tails. We are certainly using them for their intended purposes. Okay, so I got a bunch of treasure chests full of crap. They don't know what the fuck it does. Are you excited? Can you feel the excitement? Does it brighten up your day? Don't you think that sometimes you just need to have a run button?
Spin dash.
That looks like a thing being excavated. Maybe if I use this bounce pad, I don't know if that was progress or anti-progress. I think that was anti-progress. Yeah, because there's the chef fucker. Okay, so bounce, bounce. Camera can barely keep up with the bounce. Skim double. Hey! found a thing! I found a thing! I found a thing! I found Pac-Man. That's good. I was playing Sonic anyway. No! No! Don't tell me the thing is over already! I'm finding a bunch of useless bonus crap. And nothing that actually advances the anything. Where am I supposed to be going? I'm sure someone out there is screaming at me. Maybe it's blatantly obvious. I have a Ryoga-esque sense of direction. It's pretty amazing. It's why I don't play a lot of Metroidvanias. Or a lot of anythings. Wait a second. Tails' helicopter noise is coming from this. So maybe it's someone else's helicopter noise. Oh! Do you want me to do this? Well, I made it stop. Yo, I don't know if that was a bug or if that was a hint. Well, it depends on if this works or not.
Another ring for me.
Okay, it was a hint for getting rings, I guess. I like the way Tails dangles. I just don't care anymore. I'm sad that I'm flying. It doesn't go anywhere. Wait. That's an Amy rung. Good, it got me rings. Yay, rings. I love rings. Let me just talk about the rings all day. I'm just gonna keep bouncing until I figure out where I'm supposed to fucking go. What if I just fell down here? This actually, that might be where I'm supposed to go. We're here!
As quickly as possible. We need to find out what is going.
Ah!
Cliff! Thank goodness we found you.
I didn't know I was missing.
What do you know about an ancient tomb with a giant snake in it?
Can't say I know much. Oh, but I do know about an ancient prison with a giant snake in it.
Well, how about you tell us about that one?
The snake's name is Lyric, and he was locked away to prevent him from destroying all life in the world. He's the
It's a good reason to lock someone away.
of a long-lost civilization called the Ancients. They harvested all the energy they needed from powerful crystals. Despite their advanced technology, the Ancients lived in perfect harmony with nature, except for Lyric, who schemed to steal the crystals and use them to power an army of machines. When the Ancients found out, they imprisoned him. He's an evil, ruthless, dangerous, pitiless, remorseless monster. Thank goodness he's locked up for all eternity.
Yeah, funny story. Might have accidentally unleashed him on the world.
Not cool, Sonic. But you might still be able to stop him. Lyric needs those crystals to reboot his army. His first move will be to go after them. You gotta get him first.
How do we find him?
If that
Man, Amy's face is fucking jacked. Half her facial expressions just look wrong.
Quincy here can answer them.
And her mouth doesn't work at all. And you need to get back to Treasure Planet, Quincy. Please. The fuck is this? Okay, I guess I spend things to do things. I do like rings. Where'd Quincy go? I think I need to talk to his dumbass. Oh, good, a bounce pad.
That minecart has a switch on it. I bet you can activate it. I can't. Robot arms are small.
Then let's move these minecarts.
He's so cute and kind of helpful.
Use these pads to jump high into the air.
Into the mine, everyone!
Find the shock crystal.
I think we can use some of our robot parts
Okay.
to rebuild this. Very cool. This is amazing. This is a part of their history that will
What would we do if I didn't have the robot parts?
The Ava is a machine that will allow you to look at the world and find objects and things that can't be seen with the naked eye. Try and use it now.
Oh, look. I can move the gamepad around to try and see okay, I can use the right analogs. I don't see things. And I am friggin' tired. I think I'm gonna continue my quest for the game tomorrow. No! No, I don't want to go outside. I thought that was a stage. I thought this was a stage. I thought we were gonna start a stage here. We go outside and they're like, what stage? You wanted a stage? Well, too bad. There is no stage. Yeah.
Sweet!
Yeah, nope. I'm officially done for tonight. In every possible, conceivable sense of the word. You know what? Let's see what the Miiverse looks like for this. Just for shits and giggles. Real quick. How are people loving their Sonic Boom? Maybe they found the game. Because it really doesn't feel like the game started. I've barely fought any enemies. I've barely done any platforming. Barely done anything. This is going nowhere slow. Yes, it's 3:26 a.m. Also, it's taking weirdly long to get to the Miiverse. Why is it taking so long to get to the Miiverse? This is unusual. This sounded like such a good idea at the time. You know, you access the Miiverse so fast, you just hit the button, then you go to the Miiverse, then you're like, hey, I'm in the Miiverse. Oh, unable to connect to the interwebs. That would be it. I'm gonna blame Sonic. Boom, Sonic boy. Yeah, okay. I'm done. I'll try some more later, but Yup.